This tutorial provides an overview to the Number Worlds program. The home screen is what you see when you first log in. You can access any of the screens in the program by clicking its name at the top of the screen. You can get back to the home screen by clicking the program title in the upper left corner of the screen. Click Math, Tools, and Games to access the eToolkit in a new window. The selected class appears at the top of the screen. All the information on the home page presents information about this class. To view the information for another class, select it from the Select Class drop-down list. At the bottom of the Lesson Resources section, you can view the selected lesson for this week for the selected teaching level. The lesson that displays is based on your current planner. Click the eTeachers Edition button to open the lesson in the Teacher eBook. The eBook opens in a new window. To view all the available lesson plans, click the Lesson Plans button at the bottom of the Lesson Resources section to access the Lesson Plans page. You can display another lesson by selecting a different program level, unit, and week from the drop-down lists. Then press the Go button. The Calendar section displays the assignments due and other scheduled events for today. Click the calendar to view a different day's information. To add a new event or assignment to the selected day's calendar, select one of the buttons located beneath the calendar. The tabs on the home page help you quickly view assignments students have completed, as well as their latest assessment scores. The Student Assignments tab lists which students have submitted current assignments. You can select any of the current assignments for the class from the drop-down list, as well as view the assignment's due date. Students that have submitted the selected assignments appear in the left column with the date submitted. If the assignment was submitted late, the date appears in red. Those with unsubmitted assignments appear on the right. Click Show All Assignments at the bottom of the tab to view the assignments page for the class. The Assessment Update tab shows each student's latest formal assessment scores. The Student Grouping tab displays the system's recommended grouping placement for each student in either independent or supported based on the student's formal assessment score. Quick links to program resources are located at the top of the screen. Access online assessments or your planner. This is also where the program search is located. Here you can quickly search the entire program for a specific term or concept. Click the Search by Standards button to search the lessons in the program for specific state standards. This concludes our guide to the home screen. Be sure to view other tutorials for more information about this and other screens.